of technology.
One song can change a moment, one step can start a journey, but a prayer can change everything. And it is a form of life, the life with God. Let us all rise to beseech the benign blessings of the Almighty. A leader has a vision and conviction that a dream can be achieved. He inspires the power and energy to get it done. A leader with us through all thick and thins is our respected principal, Dr. N. Rengarajan. Sir, we request you to welcome the gathering and present the report highlighting the milestones and the achievements of our institute during the academic year 2013 to 2014.
Good afternoon to all. Respected Chief Guest, man of wisdom with vast experience who occupied several esteemed positions in Indian government like Director General of National Human Rights, Director of Police Academy, Chief of Intelligence and Security, Director General CRPF, who left footprint as a head of Special Investigation Team SIT in 90s, former Director of Central Bureau of Investigation, Delhi Ratna Karthikeyan sir, we proudly welcome you, sir. Respected guest of honor, man of excellence in human resource development, quality management, and example for far-sighted vision, innovative practice and guiding spirit through V. Kovai Chelvan, Senior Vice President, HR of TVS Motor. We are pleased to welcome you, sir. Ruskins unto the last transformed Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi into Mahatma Gandhi. Likewise, dream of a great visionary transformed this tiny village, Alathu Kombai, into a great empire of academic excellency, our Bannariam Institute of Technology, that glitters on the global map today. With deep sense of gratitude, we derive immense pleasure to welcome our beloved chairman, Srinidhi Thiru S.V. Balasubramanian sir. Honorable advisor and governing council member of BIT, a role model for an academician and administrator, former vice chancellor of Bharatiyar University, Dr. R. Subbayan sir, we extend a warm welcome to you, sir. Respected Chief Executive Dr. A.M. Natarajan, distinguished faculty members, head of the departments, staff, students, invited guests, press and media friends, we extend our wholehearted welcome to you to these 18th annual day celebrations. அலைகடலென அரங்கத்தை அலங்கரிக்கும் இனிய அன்பிற்குரிய மாணவர்களே, பெற்றோர்களே, ஆசிரியர்களே, நண்பர்களே, அழைப்பை ஏற்று இங்கு அமர்ந்திருக்கின்ற விருந்தினர்களே, பத்திரிகை மற்றும் ஊடக நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த 18வது ஆண்டு விழாவிற்கு வரவேற்பதிலே பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். I deem it's honor to me to present the 18th annual day report of Bannari Amman Institute of Technology, and it is a first of experience to me to present this valuable forum. BIT started in the year 96 with the noble goal of rural education, has successfully completed 18 years under the leadership of our chairman Thiru S.V. Balasubramanian. As our journey continues, we take new challenges, new solutions and new heights. We know ideas will born to be discarded, to be adopted, and to succeed and triumph. 2013 and 14 recorded varied events and happenings that touched us, inspired us, and taught us. In every aspect of our work, we set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them. Further, BIT has witnessed several achievements in 2013-14 in all spheres of our activities, be it academic excellence, R&D, consultancy, infrastructure, augmentation of new codes, enriching skills of students and faculty, discipline, leadership, management systems, co-curricular, extracurricular activities, and more milestones. BIT Festo Center of Excellence in Industrial Automation and Mechatronics was inaugurated on 9th August 2013. School of Management Studies ranked 21st positions among the South Indian B schools conducted by Career 360 magazine. The School of Management Studies of BIT has been ranked A6 in the B School Review and Ranking by IMA, New Delhi. BIT participated in the AICTE CII survey for the Best Engineering College. Department of Biotechnology and Computer Science Engineering received high levels of appreciation under departments with potential category. Tamil Nadu State Blood Transfusion Council and AIDS Control appreciated BIT NSS unit for organizing more number of voluntary blood donation camp. BIT co-sponsored the National Summit on Quality in Education organized by CII Coimbatore Zone during November 2013. An RFID enabled master debit card issued to the students through Karur Vaisya Bank. Programs offered. The institute currently offers 12 UG and 11 PG programs in engineering technology besides MBA and MCM. The total number of students on roll is 5,790, of which 3,506 are boys and 2,284 are girls. All the departments of engineering technology and science and humanities offer collaborative research programs. The institute has 13 full-time PhD scholars and 233 part-time PhD scholars. Proposals have been submitted to Anna University, Chennai, to increase intake in BE Mechatronics from 60 to 120, Biotechnology from 60 to 120, and to start a new course in the BE Robotics and Automation Engineering, ME in Instrumentation Engineering, and ME in Industrial Safety Engineering for the academic year 2014-15. NBA and the BIT Nodal Center, NBA National Board of Accreditations, New Delhi, established 25 nodal centers all over India, in which BIT is one such center. BIT has organized 4 workshops through which 144 evaluators, resource persons were trained in outcome-based education and outcome-based accreditation process. Infrastructure, our management is very keen on upgrading and creating facility to meet the students' needs. An amount of 4.38 crores has been spent from the allotted budget for augmenting the laboratory and library facility for the period under report. Construction activities, besides the existing built-up area of 2 lakh square meter, construction of mechatronics and mechanical academic block, expansion of textile block, guest house, boys hostel to the extent of 30,000 square meter is in the process. Internet and mail server 1,800 systems have internet connectivity of 100 Mbps with exclusive mail server at the cost of 15 lakhs per annum. Solar power, enhancing the solar power generation capacity from 600 kilowatt to 900 kilowatt is under progress with a total investment of 6.03 crores. Library facility, today's reader, tomorrow's leader, to enable the students to be a future leaders. State of the art, 5-story new learning center has been built on par with the international standards. The fully automated learning center provides an ambience conducive for the teaching and learning experience. Here I would like to comment, when our chief guest visited our library today afternoon, he said this is the best part of it. The library, he said, our chairman replied, today this is the best part of that. That means his vision is to create more and more marvels like this. During this academic year, 60 lakhs have been spent towards the purchasing of books, online journals, and printed version of journals. Our BIT library publishes Indian Journal of Information Science and Services, Academic Excellence. I am happy to inform that the dignitaries out of 1,360 BE, BTech, MBA, MCA students of 14th batch in the academic 2012-13